guys, my name is Mahi and I'm back with a new video that is related on blood. So we are going to discuss about the blood and what cells are present in the blood. Some different types of cells we are going to discuss, the functions of blood and how the circulation of blood takes place in our body. That also we are going to check, and some new facts about blood. So let me move forward, but please like and subscribe. So about the blood. So what is blood basically means? It is a red color fluid which flows inside the blood vessels. So now I'm going to discuss about some functions which blood performs. First one, like it transports the digested food from small intestine to other parts of the body. Then it carries oxygen from lungs to cell of the body. Then it protects the body against infection, that is by destroying germs. Then it helps in regulating body temperature, and some blood cells help in blood clotting also. So when you fall down, the wound which is there in your any body part, that is filled by blood cells itself. So excessive blood loss is prevented by blood. Next, it carries oxygen from lungs to cells, it carries waste product from removal, and then it regulates the body temperature, as I've said you already. So now I'm going to discuss about three types of cells which are present in our body. Okay, so you can see on my screen there are two types of cells which you can see on the screen. One is red blood cells and one is white blood cells, and third one we have is platelets. So I'm going to discuss about these three. So first let us see what blood consists of. So first one, blood consists of a liquid part which is called plasma, and a number of cells of various kind which are present in plasma. So now we are going to discuss about the number of various kinds of cells. Okay, so let us discuss first. First one is red blood cells, as you can always say it as RBCs. Next one is white blood cells, that is WBCs, and the third one is platelets. So now we are going to discuss about in details about red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. What are red blood cells means? As the name suggests, red color due to presence of red pigment. So this is known as hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a carrier of oxygen. So it binds with oxygen and transports it to all the parts of the body. So the red color of the blood is also due to the presence of hemoglobin. Now we are going to discuss about white blood cells, WBCs. This help to fight against infection and they destroy germs which we have entered in our body. Now we are going to discuss about the platelets, that is the third one. The platelets help in clotting of blood. These collect in capillaries at the site of wound and act to block the flow of blood by forming the clots. So this is the function of all the three cells, and now we are going to discuss about circulation of blood. So circulation of blood takes place throughout the body by pumping action of heart, right? So this figure in given screen shows the direction of blood flow from heart to lungs and back to heart. From heart the blood is pumped to rest of the body. So now we are going to discuss how the blood is pumped. First, the purified blood, or we can say oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood is nothing but the blood which is rich in oxygen. So that is received by left auricle, as you can see in the screen in the diagram, which is left auricle and which is right auricle. So we will receive the purified blood or oxygenated blood by the left auricle from lungs. Then from the left auricle it enters to the left ventricle, which distributes blood to various organs and tissues of the body through arteries. Now the arteries divide into capillaries in the body organs and tissues. So the blood passes on the food and oxygen and collects the carbon dioxide and waste materials. This impure deoxygenated blood. So what is deoxygenated blood means? The blood which is not rich in oxygen but rich in carbon dioxide. So this is collected by capillaries. Now this flows into the veins. Veins carry the blood back to the heart and empty the blood in right auricle. So from right auricle the blood passes through right ventricle, and from there it is pumped for lungs for purification. So again we receive the oxygenated blood, and again the same process starts through left auricle. So this is how the blood circulation takes place. Now we are going to discuss some facts. So first fact I am going to discuss is that 5.6 liter of blood is present in healthy person. And second fact is that in some animals like sponges and hydra and flatworms, blood is not present. So in these animals, the water in which these animals live brings food and oxygen as it enters their body. So as the water moves out, it carries away oxygen and waste materials along with it. Now the third fact I'm going to discuss is that blood in some animals like cockroaches, that is colorless, and in crabs the blood is blue in color. So thank you guys for watching my video, and please like and subscribe.